is Klandestine, and for today's video we're gonna learn all about the daily quests that you have to do if you're a beginner in ROX. So let's get to it. So the first task is to AFK in Frontera Town so that you can get the free 600 Odin's Blessing daily. After you've done that, pretty much you can start with one of the carnival activities, which is COC mission. The goal here is to get 100 points in activity because each of these treasure boxes give a crystal reward, so it's very important to reach 100 points every day. Now we'll select COC mission, which is found all the way to the left of the carnival tab, and it'll auto path you directly to the NPC responsible for it. Now select COC mission and you will see three options. The pink coin gives you headgear coins, the purple coin gives you equipment coins, and the blue coin gives you card coins. Now all of these coins can be used to roll in the gacha or the vending machines found in this town. But for this mission, we highly recommend that you get the card coin because it's very hard to loot them, to loot cards from each mob. So I have already chosen that prior to recording this video. And for our first COC mission, we have to deliver sour liquid. Now the technique I use for this is to use what we call the shop finder tool, which is this pretty blue circle that you can purchase from every general merchant from every map. It only costs 15 zennies each, so it's pretty cheap, no problem. Now use that and type in the item that you need to buy and click Selling Finder. Now as you can see, somebody's selling it for only 240 zennies compared to around 720 zennies each if you buy it directly from the NPC. So we are going to buy this from a merchant because we need to save coins, right? We need zennies. I'm clicking this merchant and I'm trying to find sour liquid from the item list. I'm going to buy 20 of that and I'm going to deliver it to this guy. There you go. Now what if a merchant is not selling the item that you need for your mission? What you can do is just to click view source and it'll directly guide you through the NPC from which you can buy the item from. Very easy. So for COC missions, you have to do 10 of that in a day and you're pretty much done. The next thing that I usually do is to do the guild orders. Why is it very important to do this? It's because it's required to level up the guild. As you can see, for our guild to reach level 4, we need 492,000 guild funds, and all of these guild funds can only be obtained from doing guild orders. So it's very important to do this. Also, the coins that you get from doing each order, looks like this purple coin, is needed for when you unlock Shadow Quest at level 40. Usually you finish that quest around level 58 to 60 and you need those coins to unlock some skills in the shadow weapon. So I highly suggest you do this as soon as possible. Also make it a habit so that you can help your guild. So pretty much like the COC missions. You just have to look for these items using the Shop Finder app. There are 8 of these in a day, and some of the items you can buy from an NPC like this, and some of the items you have to buy from the exchange, or you have to get them through fishing. So luckily I have this item already, so I just have to click submit. I get 1 guild contribution coin per guild order completed. So for this, I'm just gonna be searching gold ornament using the Shop Finder tool again. See, I find somebody selling it for only 360 zennies, which is really cheap for that item. And then you just have to buy 50 of those. Boom. And submit guild orders. There you go. Next is Tavern. So it's one of the mini games in this game, and basically it's an arm wrestling game. What you have to do is find somebody from your guild, preferably, and exchange wins with that person. So once you arrive, you have to find them, ask them, hey, I'm gonna have to do this with you, please give me 2 wins, and then I'll give you 2 wins after. So in this case, I'm asking him to go first. Why are you refusing it? Okay, here we go. Accept, please. So for each win that you get from this mini game, you get 1 stamina potion, which is roughly giving you 60 stamina points. That's very useful in this game. So it's a must that you complete this mini game daily and not miss it. It's pretty much easy. You just have to click the bar, get a win. So after that round, you get 1 more round, because you have to do this 4 times. He has to win twice, and then I have to win twice after. So it's pretty much how Tavern works. Very straightforward. After doing Tavern, COC missions, and my guild orders, I usually run the daily instance. As you can see from this Carnival tab, I've already done it. I already did a strophe run with my guild mates earlier, prior to recording this. Now, the very important thing when you do this daily instance is to form a party of 5 and run the instance that matches your level. So if you are a level 35 swordsman, for example, you have to run Drake for the first 3 runs of your day. Do not run Golden Thief Bog, or what we call Silver Run, because the XP in Drake is higher than in Sewer. So make sure you run the instance that is appropriate to your level. Alright, so after we've done doing COC mission, the Tavern, the guild orders, and the daily instance missions, we're left with just mission board and this fishing contest. I usually try to do this fishing contest first, so that I'm only left with mission boards. So just click it, you get this daily, hand over 10 fish of any type, just click whatever. Make sure you do not give the fishes that you get from or the fishes that you need to upgrade your weapon, your armor, or your accessories, because I've done that so many times and I just wish I could just erase myself from this map. I wish I could turn back the time. Anyway, just do that quickly. You get a magic bait. The only thing you have to remember here is just make sure you have at least 10 stamina points to do this quest, or else you won't be able to do that. This is why you have to do Tavern first. In case you depleted your stamina, you can just use one of your stamina potions and you can do this quest. The goal here is to just make sure one of the fishes that you get belongs to the top 50 of the fish rankings, but I couldn't care less. Regardless of what type of fish you get 10 points, or you get 10 coins, so just craft it. Hand it over to this guy by the tree and you instantly get 10 fish coins. Now what do I do with the fish coins? Usually I sell them. Why? Because I need crystals. I usually just sell them on the exchange like that. Select the lowest number and sell it. But why do I sell it? It's because I just use the fish points to do manual. I don't use the fish points. I just manually fish for the items that I need and sell the points for crystals. Alternatively, if you want to keep your fish points, you can also click this NPC and click Fish Print Commemorative Coin Shop. This is where you can pretty much buy this automatic fishing rod, which sells for, which is, yeah, 20 coins. You need 20 coins for that. So just buy that. You don't have to do manual fishing. Problem solved. There you go. Okay, last but not the least is mission boards. This task pretty much takes up most of your time from all the carnival activities, so make sure, well, at least for me, I do it last. Oh, I get 3 double reward missions, so I click that, I click that. What I do is I make sure I leave at least 4 missions. I only do 6 out of the 10 missions. Why? Because sometimes when you do Kingdom Pass and you go on your daily quests, sometimes completing a mission board request is one of the tasks here. And as you know, once you've done 4 of these daily quests for the Kingdom Pass, you can refresh them and you get another batch of daily Kingdom Pass quests. Sometimes mission board requests appear again and you have to complete that, and had you done 10 of the missions earlier, you wouldn't be able to complete that. So that is why I make sure I only click 6 out of the 10 missions and do that. After completing the missions, you get Odin's blessings, and after that you can pretty much do whatever you want for the day. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it and I hope you learned something. See ya!